In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the fact that the people in front of us are mirrors of us. So if you see something in someone that's right in front of you, that's something that you need to work on. If something is really amazing in front of that person, or if there's somebody that basically has something that you love and maybe you're not quite there yet, it's a reflection of who you can be. So I kind of feel like there's proof of this in my own personal life. I had this happen. My cat is driving me crazy again because she keeps hitting my desk. She'll never leave me alone. I always have to, Coco, you're annoying. She always wants to be a part of everything. She always wants to be held. So I guess that's a part of me that always wants to be loved on and wants attention. Look at how she is. See, she's a sweet cat. So I guess I'll hold her because she is purring and she wants attention while I talk to you guys. She's so sweet. I love that she does this. Say, aw. Okay, back to my little story. So I believe that we are reflections of the people around us and we are pulled to similar energies. And I kind of feel like I had proof of this. So I go to this group once a week. It's a support group and it's to help me just deal with some of the things that I'm going through. I've been going through a lot of dealing with my own traumas. My own traumas have been coming up and I have been dealing with them and healing them in the past couple months. And my life has been changing in a dramatic way, in a very positive way, I believe, because I've been dealing with my stuff. And I'm getting to know more of myself and my gifts and getting better on video, just talking to you guys and making videos and just being me and accepting me. But anyway, so I go to this meeting and a couple weeks ago I connected with somebody and we ended up talking after the program for like a good hour. And it's interesting because this person that I connected with, that I really felt pulled to, was dealing with a lot of things that I deal with. I'm a very emotional person. I cry a lot. Instead of getting angry, I'm like, some people get angry. Some people are really emotional. I'm very emotional. She was very emotional. She deals with a lot of the same things that I deal with. Just everything. So I think that's interesting. I felt pulled to this person. Well, then yesterday at the meeting, there was somebody sitting next to me and my inner voice did tell me to connect with her, first of all. So I knew that I should connect with her. But after the meeting, the person that I'd already connected with came to this person and I could tell that they had a really good connection. And I was just like standing there and listening to them. And then the new person started opening up to me and telling me about their difficulties and what they're dealing with and like their emotional difficulties. And I realized that's me. I'm dealing with those same emotional things. And I struggle with those same things. And it's just interesting because when I got home, I was thinking, it's interesting. I really think that we are vibrational pulled to people that are like us. Both of these people are high energy, excited, like their overall energy, you wouldn't think that they're dealing with these emotional things because the outwards them is very outgoing, excited, and that's how I am. Like, I don't really tell many people or open up to many people about the things that are in my heart that are a struggle. You have to be kind of close to me to know what I'm going through. But I just thought it was interesting because out of this whole group of people, all these tables, these two people that I'm pulled to are just like me, going through the same struggles as me. And I was thinking, that seems like it's proof that we pull people to us that are like us. Now, I also feel like those people are there as mirrors to help us learn. We can listen to them. And sometimes it's like, oh, this person is going through this. How can I help? And then when I go help this person, I'm helping me. Because see, they're my mirror. And if I want to heal myself, I heal the people. Probably you are a mirror of me. So the more that I help you, the more that I heal me. So that's pretty cool. That's kind of what's coming through for me today. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you do not like this video. Comment in the comment section because it does help me, and tell me what you guys think. And maybe if there's something that you want me to talk about, write it down in the comments. All right, thanks for watching this video. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.